Hi guys, it's Katie from the Veggie option, and today we're going to be making a Thai lime cucumber salad, which is a great little appetizer for spring because it's super fresh, crunchy, and utilizing the new Thai lime Sriracha blend by Spiceology. It's really easy to make this appetizer have a ton of flavors. So the main ingredient in today's recipe is going to be English cucumber, which is nice and crunchy and not super watery. Then we're also going to be using shredded carrots, red onion, sesame seeds, and then garnishing with cilantro and green onion. And then for the sauce, we're using rice vinegar, some agave, salt of course, lime, and then the new Thai lime Sriracha blend by Spiceology. To prep your cucumbers, first you're gonna wanna make sure you have the English cucumber, and it usually comes wrapped in plastic like this. But once you take the plastic off, one thing that I like to do is I like to peel about half the skin off. A lot of times people will leave the skin on fully, which can sometimes be a little tough to chew, but I do like to leave some skin on because it does have a lot of great nutrients. So now we're just gonna chop this up, and I like to do it at a diagonal just because it gives it kind of a nice fancy look and more surface area to absorb all the goodness we're about to put on. Once your cucumbers are chopped, you just wanna put them in kind of a large shallow bowl, and you'll see why in a minute. But for the carrots, I like to get the store-bought shredded carrots because they're a little bit thicker than what you could shred on a box grater at home, so it holds up to the vinegar a little bit better. So you'll want to add some carrots in. And then for the red onion, you'll just want to chop it up fairly thin, kind of to your liking, and add those in as well. And then next up, we're going to be making the sauce for this. So now to make the sauce to go on our cucumber salad, the base is going to be rice vinegar, so about 3 tablespoons of that. For a little bit of sweetness, we're utilizing agave nectar, which is really nice in this dish. Then also some fresh lime because that's really going to tie in the lime flavor from the blend. And then some sesame seeds, which are nice, they add a little crunch. I like to use both white and black just for some extra dimension. And then of course, the Thai lime blend. I like to use a good amount. The really nice thing about this blend is it has actual lime juice powder in it. So it's super fresh tasting and really amazing. So once you combine those, I just also like to add a little extra salt. Mix that up, and then we're gonna toss it over our veggies. So to finish off this cucumber salad, I just sprinkled on some fresh green onion and a little bit of cilantro, and this salad is ready to eat. It is such a refreshing appetizer. However, if you want to intensify the flavors even more, you can throw a lid on it and chuck it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes, and it's only going to intensify those flavors. So I hope you guys give it a try, and until next time, this is Katie with the Veggie option.